Welcome to our channel where we uncover simple and effective ways to manage your student loans and refunds in the UK. Welcome to our channel where we uncover simple and effective ways to manage your student loans and refunds in the UK. Today, we're walking you through a quick and easy method to check your student loans company refund email so you never miss an important update or payment from them. First, make sure you have access to the email account you've registered with the student loans company. This is crucial because all refund notifications and communications will be sent there. Next, log into your email provider and head to your inbox. Since refund emails can sometimes be filtered incorrectly, don't forget to check your spam or junk folder as well. Use the search bar within your email by typing keywords like student loans company, refund, or payment to quickly locate relevant messages. If you find a refund email, read through it carefully. It usually contains important details like refund amount, payment date, and instructions on what to do next if any action is needed from your side. If you haven't received any email but believe you are due for a refund, consider logging into your student loans company online account directly through their official website. Once logged in, navigate to your payment or refund section to verify any pending or processed refunds. Also, ensure that your current email address is up to date in the student loans company portal to avoid missing future communications. Should you require assistance or confirmation, using their official contact avenues such as phone or live chat support is recommended. By following these steps, you'll be able to stay informed about your refunds quickly and hassle-free. Remember, staying proactive with your student loan refunds helps you manage your finances better and avoid unnecessary delays. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more useful financial tips and guides that keep you in control of your money.